Noah, do you know where I went before?
Ohio?
Yeah, and where else?
What did you do?
I don't know. Who did I see in Ohio?
I don't know.
Did I see Baby Anna? Why not?
Oh no, Ohio! I want to go burrito.
Oh, okay. Are you gonna go visit her?
But how to eat?
Oh. But how are you gonna get there? How are you gonna go visit her?
I don't want an airplane.
You have to go on an airplane? Do you have one?
No,
Who has one?
I don't have any money.
Oh, okay. Where are you gonna get the money?
At the airplane man.
The airplane man's gonna give you the money for the airplane? Okay.
To go.
He's gonna give you money to go?
Mm-hmm.
What's the airplane man's name?
There's Daddy Man. Daddy Man. That's Daddy Man.
Oh. I'm everyone's airplane man. My mommy's airplane man, and now you're airplane man.
No, you're airplane man.
Okay, I'm glad.
I'm a kid. You will be to pass up to the other airplanes. To Mommy's airplane.
Does mommy have an airplane? She does?
Not at my house.
Oh, where is her airplane?
It's there.
Where? Right there?
A Mason. Got one.
Mason bought an airplane? Is it big?
No, it was little. I was
Oh,
a baby.
okay. Could you fly in it?
No, it's too baby.
Oh,
It's for the babies.
okay.
I'm not a baby, I'm a baby boy.
Mm-hmm.
I'm a baby boy at the plane. I need to do two people. No. I'm going to do with you in Ohio. I'm going to see Ohio.
You want to see a helicopter? Do you have a helicopter? Oh, how are you going to get in a helicopter?
I just shoot.
Dr. Seuss is going to get you a helicopter?
No, at the shoe.
There's a shoe with a helicopter?
No, the animal. The animal that gave me one.
Oh.